Hey guys, DJ Ravine here, and welcome to the Point Blank Music School Open Mic Night hosted by Phil Ramacon, Grammy Award-winning Phil Ramacon, here at the Stag's Head, just opposite Point Blank Music School. Let's go and take a look.
Yeah, okay, right.
So I'm here with Phil Ramacon, the man behind the Point Blank Music School Open Mic here. How you doing, Phil?
Hello, how are you doing? Yeah, very good. Thank you for coming down and helping to film it for us.
Well, yeah, we're very excited to be here. So what started the open mic here?
Well, I was looking at other open mics to begin with, and I saw how other people were running them and how really great unsigned talent was just going to waste. And I thought it might be an idea for me to start my own and see what kind of people I could get. Got Point Blank helping us out now. We've got a great drummer, we've got a great bass player, got a sound man. Before it was just all me. Now we've got specialist people. It's all got better.
With the open mic, it's open to everybody. Do you get more students or do you get a lot more randoms coming?
I love it when the random people come in. At the moment, we get a fair amount of students, but it's really great when random people come because they've seen an advert on Facebook or they've seen us on Instagram. We've got a couple of them in tonight and they just come out of nowhere and spice the place up a bit.
I've actually spoken to a couple of the people that have come here. A lot of them are your students and they're big fans of yours. You know, like Phil's a great instructor and Phil teaches us how to sing and everything. And
to be fair, a lot of them could sing already. It's just a fine tune. But most people need confidence and just a space to do it in. So this is good. This has become a little learning resource as well. But it's open to everybody, any college, anyone, any age actually, any style. Just come and do your thing.
So if people want to attend the open mic, what do they need to do?
So if anyone wants to come and perform, all they've got to do is turn up at 7. We have a sign-up policy. It's just a sheet of paper, first come, first serve. And if you come 19th, you'll get on 19th, but we do have to stop at 11. We are in the Hoxton area. We're in a pub called the Stag's Head, and it's the actual address is 55 Osman Road, N1 5RA.
Opposite Point Blank Music School here?
That's right. Every other Wednesday. If you're not sure which Wednesday, tune into our Facebook page, which is Phil's Open Mic UK. So it's every 2 weeks.
Well, thank you very much, Phil. Really looking forward to tonight, and it's going to be sick, hopefully, like every other time that I've been here.
Yeah, thank you.